how to make a Google Meet video call. So if you want to make a Google Meet video call, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. Or if you have your Google Meet application, you can open up your application. But if you don't have it, then you can go with your browser. And on your browser, on the top right, you will have the Google apps. You need to click on it, and then you'll have an option of Google Meet right here. You need to click on Google Meet. And make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged in, you'll get this kind of interface. You can either enter a code or a link to join a meeting, or if you want to make your own Google Meet video call. If you want to create one, then you can go with new meeting, which is here on the left side. Once you click on new meeting, you will have three options. One is create a meeting for later, or start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. If you want to schedule it, or if you want to create a meeting for later, then you can go and select these two options. But if you want to start an instant video call, then you need to go with start an instant meeting, and your meeting will be started. As you can see that the meeting has been started. Now you can go and add some people to your meeting or to your video call. You can either allow your microphone in order to let other person access your voice, or you can also go with the camera icon and turn on your camera, or you can also go with the audio. Now, this is the meeting link. You can copy the meeting link and then share with the other person. And if the other person taps on the meeting link or enters the meeting link on their Google Meet, then they will be able to join your meeting, which you are hosting right here. Or if you want to add others, you need to go with add others right here on the left side, and then you'll be able to invite the other person. Like, for example, you can go with your email or the name of the person. To go and select the person that you would like to invite and then go with send email. And now if the other person open their email and tap on the link that you've invited, then they will be added to your meeting. In this way, you'll be able to make a Google Meet video call. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.